Right, I'm walking down to the beach, okay? But and I'm just browsing around now. Now from the hotel to the beach, it's about a 5-minute walk. And here we are, okay? And on the beachfront, there's quite a number of people out this morning. And I went down to the water. Now I'm just going to take it down to the sea itself, okay? And so we can see the sea now. You know how far we got to go to Sicily? 120 miles from Birmingham to the nearest shore. But here we are. And this is the view from the beachfront, okay? Basically. Okay. And I'm just going to carry on now a little bit more further on. And you can see the construction work that's been going on here for a bit. I think COVID has had a massive impact on this area, but it seems to be recovering. Okay. Quite good. Now hang on, I'm just trying to find a walk down to the beach so I can actually show you, so you can feel and touch the sea. I don't want you guys to feel deprived of touching the sea, you see, so let me just find a path down. I was going to jump down, but you know, at my age now, I don't want to do too much jumping. Alright. Hang on, let me see if I could get down here. I'm just going to try and see if I could walk down on here. Bear with me for a moment. Okay, it's quite active. Let me just see if I can, I'm just walking down now to the beach area, and I'm going to go and see if I can touch the sea, just for you guys. Thank you. Okay, over here we are, and I'm on the beach, man. I am on the beach, telling you now. I am on the beach, man. Hell, brilliant. Now let me go over to the sea so you guys could touch the water. Hold on. And now let me just walk down. You see how far, how wide we are. I'm taking that in from there, and let's just go touch the sea now. Hang on, I'm just still walking to the sea now. Huh? Still bloody walking. Bloody hell. And here we are, getting there closer. Now, one thing I noticed that's not here on the beach is crabs. Now, I have no idea why there are no crabs. And I mean the crabs, that sea crabs, not no other kind of crabs that you might find in England, right? And here we are, guys. Here we are, beachland. Hold on, let me just touch the water for you. Hold on, hang on. And that's as close as I'm gonna get with this, right? I ain't going no closer now. That's my trip done. Thank you.